Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Are you taking advantage of fall vegetables like butternut squash and parsnips?
If not, we have yummy ways to prepare these nutrient-rich, locally grown veggies.
Butternut Squash Bisque. Roast squash until fork tender. Saute onions with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Add roasted squash, stock, and cinnamon, ginger, vanilla tea bags. Simmer, then remove tea bags. Puree and simmer. Season with salt and pepper, add yogurt and blend again. Portion into bowls and top with yogurt.
Roasted parsnips. Place cut parsnips in boiling water for 2 minutes. Drain and cool. Toss parsnips slightly in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Layer on a baking sheet and roast. Remove from oven and lightly coat in maple syrup. Roast another 3 to 5 minutes, being careful not to burn. Serve and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.